Let's talk about the difference between reporting or telling and snitching. We often hear the word snitching used when somebody is telling something, but they are not the same. We will look at an example in a moment that demonstrates the difference. Reporting or telling is done to keep yourself or others safe when there are concerns for your own safety or the safety of another person. It is reporting or telling when somebody is being hurt or in danger. Reporting, telling happens when an adult is needed to solve the problem, and it is important.
Snitching is very different from reporting or telling. Snitching is done to be intentionally hurtful, to get someone else in trouble, or to avoid blame. Snitching is a threat to tell on someone in order to control them. It is used to gain something, such as power or status. If no one is in danger or being hurt, or if the problem can be solved without adult intervention, it is snitching. Let's look at an example that some of you may have experienced. You walk into the living room where your younger sibling is watching TV, but they have been in there all day and you want to watch something. You pick up the remote and change the channel to your favorite show. Your sibling runs to your parent or guardian and tells them what you did. They are doing this to get you in trouble, to control you, and to gain something, control of the TV. Also, this could have been resolved between the two of you without the help of an adult.
So when it comes to telling or reporting, who can you tell? There are many people you come in contact with every day who want the best for you and want to help. If you need to talk to a trusted adult, you can tell a teacher, a school counselor, or an administrator. Your school resource officer or school security employees are there to help as well. If you participate in sports, clubs, or other extracurricular activities, you can always talk to your coaches or club advisors or leaders. Your parents or guardians are someone you can tell if something's bothering you. And sometimes your family has other trusted adults, such as parents, friends, or neighbors.